Alright, welcome back guys. I'm your boy Mr. Talented Reid, and today I have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. So today I decided I'm going to make a video to show you all what your I-beam headlight bulb look like. So this is your I-beam headlight bulb right here. So if you look right here, this is the cap that you remove to see the bulb. So first you're going to remove the cap, so you're going to twist to the right and pull, and here's the instruction on the back. So open, close, and to take out the bulb you're going to hold the connector and twist to the left and pull. So this is your bulb, and I'm going to remove it from the socket. Alright, so this is what your I-beam headlight bulb look like. So it is a H7 12 volt 55 watt dot 12972LL. So that's your bulb for your 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. So now I'm going to fit it back in the socket. So alright, so now I fit it back in the socket, so I'm going to put it in back now. So you're gonna push it in and twist to the left, and there you go. Then I'm gonna put on the cap, so push and turn to the left as well. So guys, if you find this video useful, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and please let me know what else you want to see in the comment section. So thanks for watching, see you next time.